In just a few minutes, you can point and click your way to a unique personal or business website. Imagine being able to upload your favorite photos to share with friends and family all over the world. Imagine being able to give all of your loved ones a current update on what is happening with you and your family. You will have total control and instant access to make edits 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. You can do it yourself, and it's now as easy as typing up a simple document on your computer with our fantastic "What you see is what you get" self-service web page generator. Once you have your pages the way you want them, just press publish and they will be instantly accessible to anyone in the world. If you happen to be more internet savvy and you'd like us to host a custom website that you've created from scratch, you have that option as well, and for no additional money. Premium web hosting is included with every account, and it's worth far more than the $10 per month we charge for the entire services package. In fact, many people are paying thousands of dollars per year for the same type of web services that GDI offers for only $120 per year, and that's one reason why our customer retention rate is so high. The applications for having your own custom website that you control are limitless. If you happen to have your own business already, then you'll be pleased that you no longer need the expensive and time-consuming services of a webmaster. If you have children, you will soon be amazed at how creative your children can be when they are unleashed with their own domain name and website building program. The confidence they will gain with the use of computers and the internet in a constructive way can be priceless. On that note, you can register several domain names and website packages on a trial basis. You should let your children try out the web and email services with their very own domain name while you evaluate the services using your own domain name. Now, everything I've just shown you here is accessible to you right now with no cost at all to get started. The possibilities are endless. And before I hand you back over to Brandon, so he can explain how you'll soon be building your income for life, I'd like to urge you to take action today as soon as you can get to a computer with internet access and secure your own internet address for life before someone else logs on and takes the domain you want. Once it's gone forever. So don't delay. Get your domain name right away. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy your website package for many years to come. Brandon?
Thanks, Gina, and nice job. You know, every time I see our product presented, I have to smile because I know how many people we're helping to find a permanent home on the internet from all walks of life and all over the world. By now, you can see that our services are a great value and our market is global with literally hundreds of millions of people, and it's growing every day as more and more people sign on to the internet for the first time. We'll show you how to start your free trial in a moment. But first, let's discuss how you make money with Global Domains International. As we just mentioned, the GDI product is only $10 per month, and that includes your domain name, your email accounts, a website builder system, and hosting your site live on the web. That's less than 34 cents per day to have this incredible internet identity package and a home business opportunity with the potential to earn you thousands of dollars each and every month, as many of our representatives are already realizing, even though our opportunity is still in its infancy. Of this $10 per month package, GDI pays out 50% of it in commissions. Like many affiliate programs on the internet, our business opportunity is a multi-layer program. So you earn not only when someone you personally tell about our product purchases it, but also when they go and tell others about it, and so on, for a full 5 generations of sales. You'll earn $1 per month for each of your personal referrals, and $1 more per month for each sale made in your 5-layer business organization. Now, $1 per month might not sound like much, but when you're